Building plan with affiliate marketing. Have you ever wondered what a strong affiliate marketing plan? Do you often wonder how to implement and build up a strong base in affiliate programs? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have strong homework before getting into affiliate marketing? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Are you looking for a side hustle, some passive income to get started as a freelancer, or perhaps to even start your own business entirely from home? Whatever your needs, we provide the best guides, hints, tips, and informative content for your money-making journey. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about building a plan with affiliate marketing. Now let's get into it. Affiliate marketing has experienced a tremendous market boom in the last few years, and affiliate marketing is making very wealthy individuals all over the world from the benefits of their programs. Affiliate marketing can be very lucrative for those who find the right program, understand what is involved, and have the wherewithal to roll up their sleeves and get to work. Focusing on the right track. Type in the words affiliate programs into any search engine, and your results will display thousands upon thousands of pages that offer work-at-home affiliate programs. How on earth is anyone supposed to understand what to do with that? Of course, just like anything else, it is possible to narrow down your searches for affiliate programs so that you only have about 3,000 pages of results to meander through. Some people go with the basic principle that if they are on the top, then it must be a good company. This is not entirely true. It may be a good company, it may be a great company, or even the best company. They may very well also be a terrible company or an affiliate scam. Anyone with enough money to pay for the top slot will get the top slot. There is no integrity test to determine who is entitled to the top spots. They are purchased, not a quick rich plan. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick plan. Get-rich-quick plans seldom work. I would say never, but occasionally someone with the absolute perfect concept hits the market at the absolute perfect time, and they do become overnight financial tycoons. However, relying on a get-rich-quick plan almost always gets people further into the poorhouse, with nearly nothing to show for their efforts. Fortunately, affiliate programs are not getting rich-quick plans. A get-rich-quick plan requires a lot of luck. In fact, a get-rich-quick plan is mostly luck. Affiliate marketing requires knowledge, the application of that knowledge, and of course, a persistent and dedicated effort. While get-rich-quick plans may seem like more fun, they don't work, and affiliate marketing does. Are affiliate and associate the same? Nearly every form of the business website offers an affiliate program. If they are selling something, they like to sell more without paying for advertising costs, so they lease out their name and their products, and they call you an affiliate. The word affiliate is different from associate, and the difference it makes in business is significant. An associate is someone who you do business with, and while they may enhance your paycheck in some fashion, your paycheck and their business are not necessarily interconnected. An affiliate is someone who does part of your business for you, and therefore your paycheck is directly affected by their efforts. Affiliate programs are basically packages that allow you to become a subcontractor of marketing and advertising for that business, and they in turn will pay you a commission for your efforts. The affiliate business plan. Whether you already understand the basic concepts of internet marketing, or you are just now learning them, joining an affiliate program requires an affiliate business plan. An effective affiliate business plan consists of numerous aspects, some of which can only be determined by you and the business you have chosen. Some aspects of an effective affiliate business plan are somewhat universal. A chosen method or method of advertising is essential, and it is typically best to know what has worked for others and why. An effective affiliate business plan includes room for learning, typically through a mentor or an online service provided through your affiliate program of choice. Many affiliate programs will lay out an affiliate business plan for you. Only you can determine if this is an affiliate business plan that works for you or not. An appropriate affiliate business plan needs to be practical. Donating of your monthly income to advertising in hopes that you will have tons of traffic to your website and you will quadruple your investment is not very practical. Appropriating a percentage of your weekly or bi-weekly income to dedicate it to your affiliate business plan is more practical. Remember, this is not a get-rich plan, it is a business plan. Educate yourself. An affiliate business plan requires constant education. Building online businesses is not something that everyone can do with just the knowledge they were born with. Most people need a little guidance along the way. Most affiliate programs include mentors, but often it is necessary to go in search of your own education, as mentors are people just like you who are trying to build an affiliate business. This is good because you are all motivated, but often their learning curve becomes your learning curve. It is possible to become smarter than your mentor. One of the most comprehensive affiliate marketing websites on the internet today is Affiliate Pit. This is the place to land if you are looking to outperform your mentor and his mentor, and of course their mentor as well. The best laid affiliate marketing plan needs to be subsidized heavily with self-education. Self-education can mean something as simple as reading the well-researched articles that appear on Affiliate Pit or finding what separates one affiliate business from another. Regardless of which area of internet affiliate marketing you need to educate yourself about, stop by Affiliate Pit for the information that can set you far ahead of the pack. Ingredients of success. The final main ingredients to a successful affiliate business plan are integrity, patience, endurance, creativity, and longevity. Since we have already established that we are not dealing with a get-rich-quick plan, but we are building an online income from an affiliate business plan, success is not going to strike overnight. A little patience and persistence can change your life faster than you think. In fact, a little patience and persistence can change your life in a matter of months if you are consistent. People, in general, are not very patient creatures. It is not uncommon to develop a solid affiliate business plan and set it into motion and go 2 or 3 weeks and begin to doubt your eventual success. Because it can take a few weeks to really get a good affiliate business plan rolling, in that time it can be easy to become distracted with 3 other businesses and decide that really this one over here looks much better anyway. If you never pick something and dedicate yourself to making it successful, you will never be successful. That is why we develop affiliate business plans that are practical. If we make our affiliate business plan something we can follow, we are less likely to get frustrated or distracted and move on to the next big plan. If you give up on the first one so easily, what prevents you from giving up on all of them so easily? And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about building a plan with affiliate marketing. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.